Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Seattle, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are comparing three names you might see when you start shopping for composite decking: Trex, TimberTech, and Fiberon. Homeowners hear these names a lot, but it is not always clear what is actually different or which one makes sense for a deck here in Seattle. First, let us talk about composite in general. Most composite boards blend wood fibers or similar materials with plastics, then add a protective cap around the outside. That cap is there to help resist moisture, staining, and fading. Some lines are capped on 3 sides, some on 4, and some products use solid PVC with no wood in the core. Those details affect how boards handle water, edges, and long-term wear. Trex is a name many people know because it has been around a long time. They offer lines of capped composite boards with different price levels and color options. The goal is a surface that will not need staining, will resist rot and insects, and will stay fairly stable through wet and dry seasons. Homeowners often pick Trex when they want a proven product that balances cost and performance. TimberTech has composite lines and also PVC options. Their higher-end boards use advanced capping and PVC cores that are designed to handle tough moisture conditions and resist swelling or water absorption. In a climate like Seattle, those features can help boards stay more stable at cut ends and details like picture framing or stair noses. It can be a good fit when you want maximum durability and a refined look. Fiberon also offers a range of capped composite decking with attention to mold resistance and fade performance. Some of their lines aim for rich color blends and grain patterns, along with strong warranties. For homeowners, the differences between brands often come down to surface feel, color, and specific warranty terms as much as technical specs. Touching the boards and seeing them in natural light can help a lot. When we compare brands, we also think about the whole system: fasteners, fascia, and railing. Many lines have matching or compatible parts, so the edges, stair risers, and railings tie in nicely. That can make the finished deck look more put together, especially on multi-level layouts or decks with a lot of exposed edges. Price ranges within each brand matter too. Each company offers more budget-friendly boards and more premium lines. The lower-cost options may have simpler caps or fewer color choices, while the upper lines may offer thicker caps, richer patterns, or PVC cores. It is not always about best brand, but about the right product in that brand for your budget and your deck design. If you feel overwhelmed by all the charts and product names, you are not alone. A good approach is to decide how important low maintenance is to you, how much sun or shade your deck will get, and what kinds of colors look best against your house. From there, it is easier to narrow down to a few options and choose. If you want help comparing Trex, TimberTech, and Fiberon for your specific project, you can reach our team at 206-202-3943 or visit toughdeckbuildersseattle.com. At Tough Deck Builders Seattle, we match composite materials to your structure, your site, and how you plan to use your deck, not just the name on the sample board. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Seattle, and we will see you in the next episode.